YouTube, and welcome back to my channel again. This is your boy Vinny Vega, giving you a tour through the Netherlands. And today I've got something special. I've got a new bag from SW-Mototech. It's a tank top. I'm pretty happy with it. It sits good, so woohoo! Party! And this will be the last time I will record on this camera. Nope, I'm not going. Because I ordered a new camera. I'm now recording on the Hero 3 Plus. And it's getting old. Battery is not what it used to be. And it was time for something new. Yeah. As you can hear, my exhaust doesn't sound the same anymore. Nope, I don't have new exhausts. I just put the mufflers on because I wanted to check if I have more torque with low revs. Where to go, where to go? Let's go this way. And my first feeling is yes. What the hell is this moron doing? Seriously? Okay. But this is the first time I've got the mufflers in. I never drove with the mufflers in. Mufflers is for pussies, I thought. But hey, I do got a little bit more of torque with the low revs. So, and the sound isn't that bad. Only you can't hear me from a mile away. And the pop noises are gone. That's a slightly disappointing move. And it's hot. The engine is hot, so I don't know. I don't know if I'm keeping it this way. What do you think? Tell me in the comments below. Thank you, truck driver. So, you're not a truck. Moron. I created a system for my cards, as you can see. Ta-da! Yeah. The weather is again perfect. In the last video I shot a week and a half ago, and it's still good weather. And upcoming Saturday it will be beautiful. Let's see. Oh, it's now 22 degrees. Popping noises. I drove here last time. But hey, then I can talk to you about my new camera. My new camera is the GoPro Hero 8. And with a MediaMod for the microphone, so you can hear me and the bike. Oh. Look nice. Oh, okay. I'm taking that back. Oh, I like that sign. Yep, I like that sign. For the bag, I've got the micro because I don't want a big bag on top of my tank, and I don't have lots of stuff I need to take with me. Well, with my new GoPro I have a splendid idea, because battery life of the new GoPro isn't that great. I saw in the reviews 90 minutes, but I'm going to order 2 batteries with a battery pack so it can charge, and then I can charge on the way. Good idea, isn't it? And I can charge it in this. Genius! It's hot with the visor closed, but if the visor's open there's a lot of bugs. Oh, fresh air. This isn't a good road either. Hey, a cha-chow. Should I? Nah. better road. Yay! Ow, ow. Ow. Bugs! Bug attack. Oh. Invasion of bugs! Bugs, 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 bugs. That's a wrap. Thank you for watching. If you like the show, please thumbs up, subscribe and ring the bell. And see you next time. Bye.